Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. If your call is connected on your iPhone and you will press the side button or lock button and call is disconnect. If you want to continue your call after pressing the side button or lock button, then keep watching this video to solve this problem. Now, what we have to do, first we have to go to settings. Here, we have to tap on accessibility and tap on touch. This option you will find only in the latest iPhone model up to iPhone 10 to iPhone 14 or all next level iPhones. And under touch, here we have a find option that I will show you. Prevent log to end call. We have to enable this option in your iPhone, and during call, when you press the side button or lock button, your call will not be disconnected. That's it. With this easy setting, you will get rid of this issue or you will get this feature. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.